5SC. I'll let you know how to change the battery in it.
That's just for the back, not the front.
Here's the T screen.
So the front is supposed to.
Open it. Here we go.
Just a clear code. Okay. All right. Okay. All right.
Be careful with this strip home button. So unplug it. Here's 2 screws, here and here. Lift it up, the battery. So if you got the heat gun, I got this one, so just heat up a bit. So there is at one edge of the solar tape. Put it nicely. It's break. So lift it over for one side, any side. Pull it. Because of cold is breaking it, I give it extra heat, so smoothly come out better. So other one you can lift it up here. Normally it goes very smooth, but here it's coming like this, so it won't be a hassle. I use this double tape. So, put it back. Two screws again back. One T done. So you have to be careful with this straight home button. Let me fix it, so I'll show you. It's a bit tricky. Here inside. So, there is screen lock. Press it nicely. So, all good. Screen fit. And the last 3 screws for. Cover the screen up so there's a lock in there. So iPhone got just these 2 screws to open and close. So here you go, all good. Might be no charge enough, so I have to plug it and charge it to see back. Here you go, all good. Thank you for